Majestic, diverse, and full of life. This is the Central System, a mountain range that runs through the heart of the Iberian Peninsula, marking the soul of Castile, Extremadura, and part of Portugal. A place where nature, history, and adventure meet. Oak, pine, and chestnut forests combine with gorges, glacial lagoons, and crystal-clear rivers, making this a paradise for hikers and naturalists. Hiking, climbing, mountain biking, and snow sports are just the beginning. Its villages offer authentic rural tourism, with traditional architecture, local cuisine, and festivals steeped in centuries of history. The Central System is not just a mountain range. It's a crossroads, a witness of time, and a natural setting for unique experiences.
Feel the effect of Bien de Altura.